Hey there foodies! Today Clever Mom is here to talk about the Ninja Speedi Rapid Cooker and Air Fryer. This versatile kitchen appliance has a 6-quart capacity and can perform 12-in-1 functions to steam, bake, roast, sear, salt, slow cook, sauce vide, and more. And the best part, it can cook 15-minute Speedi meals all in one pot. At a price around $199, this Speedi Rapid Cooker and Air Fryer is definitely a high-end option in the market. Comparing it with other products available in the market, this appliance has a much larger capacity and a wide range of functions. Its sleek design and seasoned grey color are also a plus. One of the best of this air fryer is the Speedi Meals feature. This is perfect. Busy individuals want to prepare delicious and healthy meals quickly. The appliance's multiple functions also give it versatility, making it easy to prepare different dishes without needing multiple appliances. No product is perfect and sometimes comes with a few drawbacks, so this air fryer also has some drawbacks. It can be a bit bulky and take up some space on your kitchen counter. Its price point may also be a bit steep for some individuals. But the best feature of the Ninja Speedi has got to be its ability to cook meals in a fraction of the time it takes with traditional cooking methods. The Speedi Meals feature is a game changer. Finally, Clever Mom has to say that the Ninja Speedi Rapid Cooker and Air Fryer is a great investment for those who want to cook delicious and healthy meals quickly and easily. Its multiple functions and Speedi Meals feature to make it stand out from other appliances in the market.